Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to downgrade LG MS210 to bypass FRP or Google account. You need to downgrade in order to bypass it, as you can see. No way, you cannot do anything. So I'm going to show you how to downgrade it before we proceed on bypassing. I've tried several times but nothing, nowhere to bypass it. So you need to downgrade it, so in order to bypass Google verification account. So I'll be showing you here the flashing files. This is the flashing file KDZ. You need to install these. I'll leave you the downloading link where you can download and then you install. You flash your phone. Here we are going to use this. So it's time for me. I have already installed my drivers, so it's time now. Hold power up button, then insert your USB cable until you get downloading mode. As you can see, let me extend here. Hold the power button until you get downloading mode activated. As now you can see the downloading mode is activated. Now it's time to open our flashing tool. As you can see now, it is loading. Yes, I have already loaded. For your case, you need to click here to direct or to load to load your file. So you need to click here. For me it is here. Now I've now loaded. Now you can see this is the file. Now we have to change the default settings to upgrade. Here it will not work. You need to change to upgrade. Now it's time to click our start button in order to start the process of flashing to downgrading the LG. As now you can see, it has started moving. I don't want to disturb it. Let me show you. As you can see, let me extend closer so that you see. Let me zoom. The flashing process, it's going through, it is going on. Please be patient. Do not disconnect your USB cable. Let me zoom back. Please be patient. As you can see, we are just on 29%, 30%. System now is being installed. Wait until it gets 100%. Your phone may restart when we reach at 80 something percent or 85 something percent. It will restart, so be patient. Do not disconnect your USB cable until your phone says 100% on the software. This is the way how to downgrade it in order to bypass FRP. We are just on 65%. Few more minutes to go. %. Sorry, I'm in a noisy place, so please be patient. As I've said, now the phone restarted, but please do not disconnect your USB cable until you see here it's 100%. As you can see, we are still in flashing process. As I told you that it will restart, now you can see it has restarted. Wow, 100%. The flashing is now done. Click here. As you can see, it's done. We can exit this. Okay, close. Since we are done, now it's time now to bypass. Now unplug your USB cable. It depends whether you have power. You can still leave the charging cable in. Now it's time to go. You can now configure your Wi-Fi. Now we don't need this, since I've already showed you that it has Google. Now we have to go back. Now accessibility, yes. Now version, just click on version, talk back. Wow. Now as you can see, now let us disable the disable. Now suspended. Help and feedback. Now here or let us go here. Oh, sorry. As now you can see, accept, no thanks. Now you have to type N VROM. Now we have to download, as now you can see. Now we need to download. Accept, allow, okay. As you can see now, so we need to change, as now you can see we need to configure it, at least to install it. But so please, I will continue in the second part. For today I'll be stopping here. I'll be showing you how to continue in the second part, so please thanks, wait for the second parts. I'll be showing you how to complete that. Thanks.